Cadcam Demo. We'll open the program by double clicking on the icon, go to the drawing tab, and the pink box will not cut. That represents the raw material that we'll be cutting our part from. The way you set that, go to Job Setup, go down to where it says Show Box Around Part, make that yes. This particular box is already set by 12 inches by, we'll change that to 6 inches. When it turns green and you push enter, and it'll accept the change. If you do not push enter, it will not accept the change. What we do now is we want to draw an arc. Go to the bottom left corner. Click one time on the left mouse button. We're going to go up to 6 inches. One click with the left mouse button where we want the node to be. And one more click to stop it, and then a right click to accept it. And there's your arc drawn. The next step is to close it. What we want to do is go with the right click, choose a polyline, and then we want to go down to the corner again. One click, drag it across to the other side, and click again, and there's our line. That one's off a couple thousandths from being straight. What we can do is go in and right click and join items. And do a right click and straighten item. And when you touch your drawn part, your menu part pops up on the right side. As it goes away, I'll put it back on there. There it is. So what we want to do is click on the usage. We want to go down to spiral pocket because we want to cut the whole interior of that out. You can set all of these. If you have more than one part, you got groups and the part in the machining order that you can select. You can also change the lengths and all here if the dimensions are wrong in it. What we want to do is go to roughing, tool roughing, and then what we want to do is choose our default tool, which would be number 3. Everybody will check it just to verify everything is right. Flat end mill. Feed rate is 20 inches a minute. Plunge is 20%. Maximum cut per pass is 0.2. We'll change that to 7.0. And default depth is 0.60. Put in tool number 3. We can do it this way as well. You go to feed rate 20 inches a minute. The speed is the RPM. We don't have a speed control on this unit, so we won't worry about that. We have a flat end mill with a 0.75 thickness. The final depth will be 0.5. And maximum cut per depth will be 0.25. The plunging angle, plunging feed, we want about 20% on that. And that's how simple it is. We'll check it. 3D view will show us that we're going to, toolpath will take everything out of it. And we click on this. And we go up to the side, we'll see that we got 2 cuts to get to our final dimension. We won't have to worry about straightening that back out. We just go over, copy the floppy, We'll save it to desktop. Okay. We'll call this V3. And click OK. OK. And that's how simple it is to draw that particular part. If we go down and choose Quantum Mill or Mark III, we'll open up the actual program to do the machining with. Click on Reset. Go to top left corner, load G-code file. Desktop, we're looking for V3, which is right there. And there's our part shown here. We click on Toolpath, that blows it up bigger so that we can actually see it. And if we go ahead and click on Start Cycle, this is your tool moving over, this is your tool coming down. And we've got travel. What I'm going to do is stop it and change the speed on it so you can see it go a little faster. So to stop it, go to Edit Program. We'll go back to click on Edit, Replace. We'll replace F20 with F100. We want to replace all of them. Just that simple to change it. Want to save the change. There again, we'll go back over to Toolpath so we get a little bit better picture of it. Start cycle. Tool coming up. Now it's going to run faster. The tool coming down. You can watch your G-code running by here. There's your tool running around. As a lavender line will turn to a blue as it passes over it to do the cut. Now it's doing a finish cut. You don't have to use a finish cut, but you can if you want to spend the extra time with it and just get a little bit extra clean. As you can see on the scale on the left in your G-code, you're up to the last 2 or 3 lines. You can change your post-processor to start it any way you want and to finish it any way you want. And there's your tool going up, and away we go. There's your part cut out.